Well, it's 5:30 in the morning. We're about to head to the Philadelphia International Airport. From there, we're going to Miami. We're also closely watching Tropical Storm Fred. It doesn't really look like it's going to hit Miami, so it looks like we're good to go. We're going to be on the Carnival Horizon on Sunday. I'll see you guys when we get to Miami.
Now more than ever, we really appreciate you choosing American Airlines. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight to Miami.
Well, we finally made it to Miami, and we're here at our hotel. We're staying at the Congress Suites at the Strand. This is a pretty nice hotel room. I mean, we're only here for 2 nights. It's supposed to storm all day tomorrow anyway, plus we're going to the Marlins game. But right now, I'm going to leave all the cameras up here, and we're definitely going to go hit South Beach because I could use some unwinding after a full day of travel. All right, so we're back from the beach, and we're getting pretty hungry, so we're going to go walk down the little area that they have here. One of the roads is actually completely blocked off, and there's a bunch of food places. It seems pretty awesome, so we're gonna go check it out. Well, for dinner we came to this place called the Pink Taco, so of course I gotta get, if it focuses, the OG pink. These are legit pink tacos. Those are good. So right down the street from our hotel, and actually right to my left right now, is the Versace mansion where Gianni Versace was actually killed. I'm going to show you where he was killed right now. So these here are the steps that Gianni Versace was shot and killed on. So although I'm not too impressed with South Beach, some of these hotels are just absolutely stunning here. So it's really cool to just walk this little strip in the morning. Plus it's a hot, beautiful day so far. So the last time we came to Miami in January, we came to this park called South Point Park. And we are here again. I'm gonna fly my drone and we're gonna check out what else is here. It is day 3 in Miami. We just packed up our hotel room. We're heading to the cruise port in about an hour. We get on board in 2 hours. Hopefully I'm going to get on top of the parking garage and fly my drone a little bit, get some shots of the cruise ship, but we are definitely ready to go. Got my Hawaiian shirt of the day on with the Yeezys. Gotta look good to get on board. Well, it's a little early to get on board for us, but we finally made it. We are at the Carnival Horizon. Well, the boarding process, super quick. Took like 5 minutes. This is it, Britt. This is our first time getting on a ship in 18 months. You excited?
Yep.
All right, let's go. What's the first thing we got to get getting back on board a cruise ship, Brittany?
Guys, burger.
First bite of Guy Burgers in 18 months. Just as good as I remember. So one of the things I'm most excited about for this ship is they have a Thrill Theater and IMAX theater on board. So we just got done with our muster drill, and what's super nice is that literally took less than 5 minutes, and you do it by yourself now. Super easy. I'm glad it's like that now, but let's explore some more of the ship. So our room might finally be ready. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
There may also be a lower ceiling on the gangway.
So our cabin's open. No luggage in here yet, but I'm super excited because once again, we got a balcony cabin, and I'm going to take you guys to that view right now.
So if you need assistance, just ask. We are here to help.
Huh, it's locked. Not much of a view right now, but soon this will be the Bahamas and the Dominican Republic. Alright, so here's a couple of quick cruise hacks. First of all, to keep the light on, just fold something in like that. Look at this. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Boom, that works. Second of all, stay hydrated. It is hot as hell in the Caribbean, so there's only 2 of us. These are 4 packs of waters. I think total it cost me like 20 bucks. Just stay hydrated, man. Come on. Well, we're about 45 minutes away from the sail away party, and that means this is the end of episode 1 of 4 of my Carnival Horizon vlog series. So I really hope you guys like and subscribe to follow along on the rest of the journey, because we're doing a shipwreck excursion in Bimini, the Bahamas. We're going to Half Moon Cay, which is a private island owned by Carnival, and then we're going to a private beach in the Dominican Republic. So I hope you guys do follow along. Thank you for watching.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me, left again, left again. Oh.